Yeah, good day to all students. Welcome to GV Tutor channel. Today we are going to see the topic trigonometric ratios of specific angles under the trigonometric chapters. First one, you are already familiar about the construction of 30 degree and then 45 degree and 60 degree and 90 degree, and as well as the value of 0 degree. Now we are going to find that trigonometric ratios of specific angles values. What are the angle means? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And it is very easy to find the answers. No need to mug up that all the formulas here. First listen carefully. First, how many trigonometric ratios are there means, in before that video I taught the concepts. 6 ratios are there. So what are the ratios? First ratio is sine theta, the next ratio is cos theta, and then third one is tan, fourth one is cosecant, and then fifth one is secant theta, and last one is cot theta. So these are all the 6 ratios values. We need to find that value of sine 0 degree. That means instead of theta we are going to apply that these 5 angles. So theta means nothing but which represent the value of an angle. So I'm going to apply this each angle. I need to find that value here. That's it. So first I need to find the value of sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, find 60 degree and sine 90 degree. And this is the most important concept here. First of all, I'm going to take that some combination. Now I'm going to take that one plate. So one plate in the shape of circle. So the first value is 0, so 0 degree, and next condition is 30 degree. First of all, I'm going to write that angle values 45 degree and 60 degree and 90 degree. That's it. And it is very easy to find the value of that each angle combination. No need to mug up anything here. So in your examination also, at the last paper you have to write the tabular column, because it is very easy to you, because that 1 mark questions, 2 mark, and sometimes they will ask 3 mark and 4 mark also, to evaluate that value of trigonometric ratios values. That means find that value of the trigonometric ratios by using the specific angles conditions. The first one, how to find that value of sine theta, because if you know the sine theta and cos theta value, it is very easy to find the remaining values, because the sine theta means opposite divided by hypotenuse values, cos theta means adjacent divided by hypotenuse values, tan theta means sine theta divided by cos theta, that is called as the tan theta, cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sine theta, secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, and that is the main important condition. Yes sir, how to find the answer sir? You have some doubts sir? Easy. Yes sir, tell me sir, how to find the answer? It's nothing but, first I am going to take the one plate. So plate in the shape of circle. So first I am going to take the value is 0. 0 is the first values. Next condition, I'm going to divide 4 equal part, that means 4 quadrant part in a circles. Okay, so the first condition, after taking the 0 values, first I'm going to share that only one part. Only one part means nothing but, we know how to write the fraction of these values. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4. The next I am going to share the 2 part values. So 2 part out of how many part means 4 part. Simply we are going to write that value is 2 by 4. 2 by 4, if I am going to simplify the values, I will get the answer is 1 by 2. So near to that 45 degree I am going to write 1 by 2. The next I am going to shade how many part means 3 parts. So 1 2 3 out of how many part means 4 part. So simply I am going to write the value is 3 by 4. Next I am going to shade that all the parts now, so that is called as 4 by 4. If I am going to cancel these values, I will get the answer is equal to 1. That means one complete circle. And this numerical value is very important, because without the numerical values it is not able to find the answer. Yes, so now simply we are going to take that square root of that each values. What value? Square root of that each numerical numbers we have written here. The first one, the square root of 0 value is 0, so that is the first value of sine 0 degree. Listen carefully, the square root of 0 value is 0, that is the first value of sine 0 degree, because we are going to write that instead of the theta 0 degree. And next, what about the 30 degree means, the square root is common for both numerator and as well as denominator. If I am going to take the square root of 1, the value is 1, the square root of 4, that value is equal to 2. And listen carefully, if I am going to write that value, square root of 1 by 4 means the square root is common for that both numerator and as well as denominator. how to apply this each concept in these numerical values. The first one, if I'm going to take the value as square root of 1 divided by square root of 4, so that values is called as 1 by 2. And next I'm going to apply the same condition in the next numerical values also. So if I'm going to take the square root of 1 value is 1, square root of root 2 value is same as square root of root 2, because we can't find the values, but it is possible to find the answer by using the non-repeating decimal expansion values. Okay, so now I am going to take the value square root of 3 by 4 values. Square root is common for both numerator and as well as denominator. So the numerator value is square root of root 3 divided by square root of 4 value is 2, and the square root of 1 value is 1. And these are all the value of sine 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree and 90 degree. Now listen here. First we are going to take the value is 0 and 1 by 4, that means 1 by 4th of the base and half of the base, and next condition is 3 by 4th of the base and then 1. So we are going to take square root of each values. You will get the value of sine theta. So the sine 0 degree value is 0, sine 30 value is 1 by 2, sine 45 degree value is 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree value is root 3 divided by 2, and sine 90 value is 1. Then what about cos theta, sir? Sir, இதுக்கு ஏதாவது தனியாக ரூல் இருக்கா நம்ம எழுதுறதுக்குன்னா? இஸ் நத்திங் பட் லிசன் கேர்ஃபுல்லி. நான் இங்கே இருக்க ஆர்டரை அப்படியே ரிவர்ஸில் எழுதுறேன். தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் காஸ் தீட்டா. ரிவர்ஸ்னா நத்திங் பட் பாருங்கள், 90யோட வேல்யூ இந்த என்ன பண்ண போகிறேன், 0க்கு எழுத போகிறேன். 60 ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு ரைட் இட் as 30, 45 டிகிரி சேம் as 45 டிகிரி, 30 நான் 60 எழுத போகிறேன், 0வை and 90 degree கன்சிடர் பண்ண போகிறேன். தட்ஸ் இட். லிசன் கேர்ஃபுல்லி. சைன் தீட்டாவை அப்படியே ரிவர்ஸ் வேல்யூவில் எழுத போகிறேன். ஸோ 1, and what about the next value is root 3 divided by 2 and same as 1 by root 2 and 1 by 2 and 0. Is it clear to you? So this is the value of cos theta. Okay, now we know how to write the sin theta values. So sin theta எழுத தெரிஞ்சாலே போதும். It is very easy to write the cos theta values. And next we need to find the tan theta values. Tan theta means nothing but sin theta divided by cos theta, that is called as tan theta. Sin theta divided by cos theta, that is called as tan theta. So we are going to divide these two values, we will get the tan theta values. So the first one, 0 divided by 1. So anything divided by 1 means you will get the same values. So 0 by 1 values is equal to 0. 0 divided by 1 value is 0, and 1 by 2 divided by root 3 divided by 2. Listen here, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 divided by 2. So 2 is the same denominator values, so that should be cancelled. So the numerator part value is 1 and denominator value is root 3. So what is the value means 1 by root 3. And next one is 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2, same values, that should be cancelled. The answer is equal to 1. Listen carefully. 1 divided by root 2, that whole divided by 1 divided by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 should be cancelled. So the remaining values is what is the answer means 1 is the answer. Question value is yes. So root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. So in that I am going to write the values root 3 divided by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 should be cancelled, and root 3 divided by 1, simply it should be write it as root 3. And next one is 1 by 0. Now listen carefully students, if I am going to take that 0 as denominator values, we can't find the answer here, so we can't divide actually. So that is called as not defined values. That is called as not defined values. Is it clear to you? Or else simply we are going to write infinite symbols. Simply we are going to write infinite symbol. So this is the value of tan theta. Is it clear to you? So sin theta means nothing but we are going to take square root of these values. So 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 divided by 2, and 1 will come. Cos theta means we should write that reverse order. So 1 root 3 divided by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0 degree, and tan theta means nothing but we are going to divide these two values, sin theta divided by cos theta, 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3 and then not defined, or else simply we are going to write infinite. And this is the value of that means specific angles in the three ratios. Next we need to find that cosecant and as well as secant. So cosecant means nothing but simply we are going to write the values reciprocal of sin theta, it is called as the cosecant theta. So you know that sin theta values, what is the first values here? 0. 0 means nothing but 0 by 1. 0 is nothing but 0 by 1. We should take the reciprocal values. So reciprocal means the denominator come off on the numerator it will come in that denominator part, that's it. So 0 by 1 means 1 by 0, so we can't find the answer. Yes, that is called as a not defined at. Simply I am going to write the values infinite symbols. And the next one is 1 by root 2. If I am going to take the reciprocal values, that is called as 2 by 1, so simply I am going to write the value is 2. And the next one is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 means nothing but simply we are going to take the reciprocal values, that is convert as root 2 values, because root 2 by 1 simply we are going to write the value is root 2 alone. And next root 3 divided by 2, if I am going to take the reciprocal values, 2 by root 3 will come, and 1 reciprocal value is same as 1. One reciprocal value is same as 1. Listen carefully. Cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So 0 by 1 means 1 by 0 will come. We can divide the values here. So I am going to write not defined at values or else infinite symbol. The next one is 1 by 2. Take the reciprocal value is 2 by 1. So simply 2. And 1 by root 2. If I am going to take the reciprocal value is root 2 by 1. So simply I am going to write the value is root 2. And root 3 divided by 2. I am going to write the value is 2 by root 3. And 1, the reciprocal value is 1. And what about secant value means nothing but already written in the same manner. Sine order the reverse order is called as the cos theta. Same like that, cosecant order reverse order is called as the secant theta. So I'm going to write the value is 1. And the next condition is, what about next condition? Yeah, simply 2 by root 3. And next one is root 2. And next one is 2. And last one is not defined at values. That's it. Is it clear to you, students? The next condition, next we are going to find that cot theta values. So நிறைய டவுட் வரலாம் சார், எப்படி சார் cot theta திரும்ப ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணணுமானா, it is nothing but simply we are going to write the values here. Tan theta order அப்படியே reverse order is called as the tan theta order reverse order is called as the cot theta values. Listen, see the tan theta value is 0 degree, 1 by root 3 and 1 and root 3 and then not defined at values. So by using this I am going to write the condition here. Simply are going to write the reverse order of tan theta, that is called as cot theta. So what is the last value of tan theta here? Infinite symbols, that means not defined at. I am going to write the values. And what about the next one? Root 3 and 1 and 1 by root 3 and last one value is 0. That's it. Is it clear to that? So I hope you all understand this concept. Thank you for watching this video, and don't mug up these specific angles values, okay, because it is very difficult to you. Sine or suddenly I am going to ask the values, what is the value of sine 30 and what is the value of cos 30 means, it is very difficult to. Instead of that, you have to learn that formula in this way. It is very easy to you, and which has some shortcuts tricks also. The next video I am going to apply the shortcut tricks also, but it is the basics method to write the values. So you have to use the same concept in your examination also. At the last page of that paper, you have to write the tabular column and you have to use it. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my video and click on the bell button for that update. Thank you.